Malacanang appeals to the public for patience following the death of 44 police commandos in Maguindanao. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said the nation has to remain focused on fighting terrorism and achieving lasting peace in Mindanao. He stressed it is not a surprise that a lot of people are showing overwhelming emotion over the death of members of the Police Special Action Force while trying to arrest high-value terrorist suspects in Maguindanao. However, Coloma added that the people should not deviate from the two main objectives of the country: neutralizing terrorists operating in the Philippines and achieving an enduring peace in Mindanao. Meanwhile, President Aquino will lead the National Day of Mourning when he pays homage to the slain elite policemen tomorrow. Elena Luna reports.
After giving his televised national address, President Aquino will lead the country's National Day of Mourning in honor of the 44 troopers of the Philippine National Police Special Action Force who died in Mamasapano, Maguindanao.
Naipahayag na po ng Pangulo kagabi ang kanyang buong pusong pakikidalamhati at ang kalungkutan ng ating buong bansa at dahil nga dyan yung pagdaraos natin ng isang National Day of Mourning, sa pangungusap po at sa damdamin at sa aksyon ay pinapakita ng Pangulo ang kanyang pakikiisa sa lahat ng mga naulilang pamilya at ang pagkilala sa kabayanihan ng mga kasapi ng PNP SAF. Kung meron pong ibang pananaw, ginagalang po namin ang kanilang pananaw.
President Aquino issued Proclamation number 953 declaring January 30 as a day of national mourning in solidarity with the families and friends of the troopers. Malacanang clarifies the president was in Laguna this morning and was not in the arrival ceremony in Villamor because he is set to lead tomorrow's necrological service.
Wala pong ganong kaganapan, no? Yung mas pinili. Talaga pong wala sa kanyang schedule yan. Ang nasa nailatag na pong mga kaganapan ay yung pagkakaroon ng National Day of Mourning at pamumunuan ni Pangulong Aquino bukas sa Camp Bagong Diwa, yung necrological o memorial service sa alaala ng mga bayani, no, ng ating bayan, yung mga nasawi na kasapi ng PNP SAF.
Because of the Maguindanao incident, members of the Alumni Association of the Philippine National Police Academy threatened to take a mass leave. The group urged its 4,000 members to take a 5-day leave as a form of protest.
Nananalig kami na sila ay gagamit ng katuwiran at tamang pagninilay at nauunawaan nila ang kahalagahan ng kanilang paglilingkod sa bayan.
Malacanang appeals to the public for patience and understanding, stressing the need to remain focused on fighting terrorism and achieving lasting peace in Mindanao. PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma says the 44 elite police personnel had done an extraordinary job and had paid the ultimate price to keep the country safe.
Ang focus po natin ngayon, katulad ng aking ipinarating, ay yung kahalagahan na maipagwagi natin at maisulong natin yung paglaban sa terorismo at maipagpatuloy din yung prosesong pangkapayapaan. Sana po yung mga halal na kinatawa ng ating bayan, ilalagay din sa kanilang isipan at damdamin kung ano ang mga mas mahalagang prioridad ng ating bansa.
The official urges the public to refrain from spreading unverified information and to wait for the result of the investigation of the Board of Inquiry. The official reiterated the call to help the families of the fallen policemen by sending donations to a land bank account created by the Department of Social Welfare and Development. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.